this is bigger, so I guess it's gonna be deeper than yesterday. It reminds me of me when I was a kid. Did you do that?
Yes. You're getting into water.
Huh?
We're getting down into water. You feel it?
What?
Yeah, feel it. You see that?
Ah.
I kind of want to get a cup or something and
Water!
taste it.
Can
Let's see if it's salty.
oh, it's kind of
It should be filtered.
yeah. I love it. That's good. We discovered something at least.
Now, if you're ever in the ocean,
Yeah.
stranded,
Yeah.
you can find water.
Yeah. By the ocean, you can dig up. Did you see how big? We found it.
That one will pinch.
Yeah. And so it was white. I don't know if it's recorded or not. It was deep and wow. No, it was not recorded. I guess like it's not. Yeah. It's at least we discovered two things: water and a crab. White one.
I think he's right
Whitey
there.
crab.
He's right there.
Okay. Just,
Making a cool show.
yeah.
I don't want to hurt him.
Okay. That's
That was
it.
big, dude.
Yeah, very big.